Welcome back to MR Adventures. For those of you who watched the Wye Valley episode, you may have realised it cuts off rather abruptly towards the end. That's because YouTube cut off the last 5 minutes of the trip. So I thought I'd just post it in a separate video. For those of you who have missed it, here's a quick recap on what's happened so far. Enjoy. The Wye Valley. We're back with a nice big backpack on. We're going to stop and have a coffee. What about that coffee in it? Get that caffeine. Some of the best natural lowlanders in this valley, I reckon. I refuse to go on an adventure without my jelly babies. It started to rain. Taste test.
Oh, I forgot how small this tent was.
I need to make it down there. Just left that woodland and it opened up to an absolutely stunning valley. Right off in the distance, right there, is where I was maybe half an hour ago.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5. Happy with the simple life.
It might not be the most exciting walks, danger around every corner, but I defy anyone to tell me the Wye Valley is not beautiful. It's not a short walk home, but it's made a lot shorter when you can just go at your own pace, nice and slow, and chill and enjoy it. The sun's breaking through the clouds now, which sucks because I don't have my hat. I didn't bring it because it was supposed to be raining and snowing today. That is nice to sit down. Made it to Lidbrook. Beautiful little village this. Right, rest up and then home stretch. Sort of, it's still good 3-4 miles. I don't mind uphill, although I normally moan about. We're going up a road uphill. It's boring and tiring. Legs are burning now. There's River Wye, and I'm up here now. And I've still got more upwards to go. I am properly tired now, actually. Shouldn't have skipped breakfast. That's on me.
Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind, trying to save your time. In case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list, girl, you can skip this funny business. 'Cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is break. 'cause I'm happy with the simple life.
Made it. Tell you what, I set up for a comfortably uncomfortable adventure, and that was that. So the adventure summed up was roughly 25 to 30 kilometers, roughly around 600 meters of ascent. Not a bad. Breaking my knee in. Maybe breaking's the wrong word to use in that instance. Until the next one. I normally say stay safe, but I'm moving more and more away from that now. So I'll just finish it off with, until the next one, have fun.